Over the course of 9 weeks, MS Aerospace students worked hard, learning about the basics of drone flight, programming, and bringing it all together in a final demonstration.
The MS Aerospace team is proud to bring the next generations of drone technology to Concordia and present our final demonstration.
Over the 9 weeks course, students went from learning how to mount prop guards to advanced programming with Tele-EDU and learning how to fly in close proximity.
We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the hard work put in by MS Aerospace Club members.
Students successfully demonstrated drone swarms, high-speed flight, and tight maneuvers, ultimately demonstrating their ability to the finest extent.
As the video comes to an end, we would like to thank Mr. Herron and Mrs.Jane for helping us run the club. We would also like to give a special thanks to Dr. Tong for guiding us from the very start. We look forward to continuing next year with an all-new FPV program.